Sum and differences formula. Yes, is it so? Okay, let us start with Gayatri. Gayatri, what is sin C plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D.
C and D.
C and D. Oh, okay. Yesterday I gave with A and B. Okay, you say with A and B. Sin A plus sin B.
Sin 2 sin A plus B. Then 2 sin A plus B cos A plus B. Cos A minus B. Sorry, ma'am.
Aditya, same formula. Sin A plus sin B.
Ma'am, 2 sin A plus B by 2
By
and
2. Very good. Gayatri, you missed that 2. By 2.
cos A minus B by 2.
Okay. Michael? Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
Sin A minus sin B.
2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2.
Okay, next. Okay, the next time when I ask the formula, switch on the video and Rijas. Rijas. Cos A plus cos B.
2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2.
Punya, cos C minus cos D.
Minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B. Sin A minus B by 2.
Atul, cos C plus cos D. Okay, in the place of A and B, we can put C and D, X and Y. Okay, it may change. So what is cos C plus cos D?
2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2.
Okay. Aryan, sin C plus sin D.
2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2.
Okay. Dia, cos A plus cos B.
2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2.
Okay, children. Okay, hope you have learned the formula and can do some problems based on this. Okay, so this formula we call it a sum to product. If it is given in sum, we are writing in product. Okay, and some product to sum is formula is that we will be giving it in the end of the class. Okay, few more formulas we will be learning. 4 plus around 4 plus 6, 8 more 4 plus 6, 4, 10 around 12 formulas we will be learning. Okay, with this year, we'll be learning 12 more formulas. So write all the formulas in a separate sheet and keep it ready. Every day learn the formulas. Hope you are having the textbook. So take the textbook. We are going to do the exercise questions. Now we can do the exercise 11th one. Page number 73, exercise 7.3, 11th question. Write the question. Prove that cos 3 pi by 4, prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Okay, this model and all is very important, children. Cos 3 pi by 4, isn't it? If it is 3 pi by 2 means we can use the formula, isn't it? 3 pi by 2, 270, we have some formula. But here it is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x. So 3 pi by 4 plus x, you take it as a. This is b. So it takes the form cos A minus cos B. What is cos A minus cos B? What is cos A minus cos B?
Minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2.
Minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 into sine. Okay. So now let's start with this. So what is cos of 3 pi by 4 minus plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. So it takes the form cos of A minus B. So it is cos A minus cos B. By applying the formula you will get minus 2 sine A plus B by 2. So 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2 sine A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. 3 pi by 4 plus x minus. Now listen children, minus is common for this full term. So we can, when you open the bracket, it will become 3 pi by 4x. Minus of minus, it will become plus x by 2. Okay, 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2. So here, plus x minus x will get cancelled. So you'll get minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. How many times you will get 3 pi by 4? It is 2 times 3 pi by 4 by 2 into sine. Again here plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 will get cancelled. X plus x you will get 2x by 2. Now again 2 will get cancelled. Here also 2 will get cancelled. So which is minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 into sine x. What is sine 3 pi by 4? What is sine 3 pi by 4? What is the value of sine 3 pi by 4? That value we have to find, isn't it? Sine 3 pi by 4. How to do this? The day we learnt how to find the value of sine 3 pi by 4. Just minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4. How we can write? It is pi minus pi by 4 into sine x. Is it correct? 3 pi by 4. You take the LCM, I check here. 4 pi minus pi. You get 3 pi by 4. And what is sine of 180 minus theta? Sine of pi minus theta. In which quadrant you will get sine of 180 minus theta?
Third.
Check it. 180.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. We are reducing from 180. So it comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So here it is same as minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x. Minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x, which is same as, apply the values here. So it is minus sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into sine x. So which is same as 1 2 you can cancel, 1 root 2 when you cancel it, the answer will be minus root 2 sine x, which is same as RHS. We started from LHS and we proved that is equal to. Is it clear children? Is it okay? Diya? You are using the formula sum to products. Is it okay Diya?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, once again I'll explain this. It's an important, this model is important. Cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? Or cos A minus cos B? Minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. Okay. So when you put minus, minus is common for the whole term. So here x will get cancelled. You will get sine of 2 times 3 pi by 4 by 2 into sine x plus x, it is 2x by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, so you'll get minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 into sine x. Now our aim is to find the value of sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4, we can calculate this as pi minus pi by 4, sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So you'll get minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x. What is sine pi by 4? It is 1 by root 2. Is it correct? 2 we can write this as root 2 into root 2, then simplify, you'll get the answer. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Is it clear, children? Michael? Emmanuel? Okay, Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next question. Next one, similar question is there in example 15. That is again an important question. Example question. Write the question. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x, instead of 3 pi by 4, it is in terms of pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. Prove that. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. So prove it. You start from LHS and prove that that is equal to RHS. Don't look in the book and write. Try it. Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is? Yes, Achyut, what is cos C plus cos D? Achyut,
Ma'am,
cos C plus cos D.
question.
Cos C plus cos D is equal to, I'm asking the formula.
2 cos A plus B into sin A minus B by 2.
No. If it is cos, both the terms will be cos. If it is plus, cos with plus means both the terms will be cos.
Ma'am, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2.
Yes. Okay. So prove it. So start from LHS. Use the identity cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 minus of minus, it will come plus x by 2. Then simplify, you will get the answer. Are you getting the answer, Michael? And you got the answer? No. So it is same as 2 cos x and x will get cancelled. 2 times pi by 4 by 2 into cos 2x by 2. So here 2 will get cancelled, which is same as 2 cos pi by 4 into cos x. 2 cos 45. Is it correct, Aditya? Is it correct, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, if you substitute the value of cos pi by 4x, you will get the answer. And simplify, you will get the answer. So next one, write the next question. Write the next one. Prove that sine square 6x. Prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. Is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. Prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. So you start from LHS. So in LHS what we have? Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. Okay, children, listen here. So it is of the form a square minus b square, isn't it? Is it in the form a square minus b square? Okay, if we have square, we can't use the formula. Sum to product we can't use. So what is a square minus b square? How we can write a square minus b square? Identity.
A plus b into a minus b.
It is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this as sine 6x plus sine 4x a plus b into a minus b. Sine 6x minus sine 4x. Now this is equivalent to. Now what is sine c plus sine d? Use the formula. Prove it. Try it. Use the identity sine c plus sine d, sine c minus sine d, and check. Okay, I'll give 2 minutes. Let me check how many of you are completing this one. Use the identity. How many of you got the answer? Children, switch on your video. Srihari, got the answer?
No, I'm doing it.
Doing. Yes, got the answer. Gayatri, Punya?
No, ma'am.
No. Aditya? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No. Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, okay. What about the others? Achyut? No. Okay, Achyut, give the steps. Not Achyut. Atul, give the steps, Atul.
After simplifying that, we'll get 2 sine 5x cos x
Sine
into 2
5x. One second. 2 sine 5x cos
cos
x
x
into
into 2 cos 5x sin x.
2 cos 5x sin x.
Then
Michael,
we can rearrange it.
One second, Atul. Michael, do you understand how to get this step? This next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how?
Yeah, simplify it.
Which simplifying means from here, how will you simplify to get this step?
Sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2.
Very good.
Other one is sine A minus sine B.
Sin A minus sin B. Good. Sin A minus sin B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Okay. Okay. Now, next step, Atul.
Then if we rearrange, we'll get 2 sin x cos x
2 sin x cos x. Okay.
into 2 cos sin 5x cos 5x.
2 sin 5x cos 5x. Is it clear, children? We are just rearranging. Bring the x terms together, bring the terms with 5x together. Then,
And the first one is sin 2x,
so this you are using which identity you are using, Atul?
sin 2a.
Sin 2a. So it is sin 2x. Then,
The second one is sin 2 into 5x. So
2 into 5x. So you will get sin 2x into sin 10x, which is same as the RHS. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? See, learn the formula, then only you'll be able to do the trigonometry. Next year, from the first chapter onwards, you'll be using all these identities. That's why I'm taking it last, so that you'll be able to keep in touch with that chapter, with this chapter, identities. Okay, now do the next question. Try this one. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Prove that. cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Prove this one. A square minus b square, isn't it? First we will use a square minus b square. Then a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Then use product to sum. Finished? What the answer, Achyut? Gauri?
No, ma'am.
No. Doing. Okay. How many of you have completed? Just raise your hands and show it. Nandana, is it over?
No, ma'am.
No. Atul, okay. What about Rijas? Sneha. Okay, children. Listen, children. Instead of doing this question in the same method, is there any other? Can you suggest some another method for solving this one? One method I taught you in the previous one. Apart from that, is there any other method? Yes. Yes, children. Okay, don't use the same method which one I am teaching. You try to find out. Okay, you find out your own methods, but it should be a correct one. Okay, apply the formulas and all correctly. Can you try this? Cos square is there, isn't it? Cos square. Is it possible to replace with something? Listen, what is the formula we have learned for cos 2a? Cos 2a is in terms of cos. What is the formula? Nandana?
2 cos square a minus 1.
2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. Same. Okay. From here, what is cos square a? So we can write this as cos 2a minus 1 is minus 1. If you take to other side, it is plus 1. Is 2 cos square a. From here, what is cos square a? This is another formula. It is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square a, suppose we want to remove the power. Cos square a, we can write this as 1 plus cos 2a by 2. What is cos square a? 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Similarly, cos 2a in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Now take 2 sine square a to the side. So 2 sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Therefore, what is sine square a? 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Sine square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay. So squares, powers, suppose we want to remove means this identity also we can use. Cos square a is, write down this in your identity, in your formula paper. Cos square a, suppose we want to remove the power means cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. And sine square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So we can use that identity. You can use this in the previous question. So here, what is cos square 2x? We can write this as 1 plus cos.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show that last page again?
If it is a, we will write double of that one here. Cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Sine square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So, if it is cos 2x, we can write this as 1 plus cos 2 into 2x by 2 minus 1 minus cos 2 into 6x by 2. So, it will be same as 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 1 minus cos 12x by 2. So, now you can take 1 by 2 as common. If you take 1 by 2 as common, 1 plus cos 4x minus 1. Minus is common for this full term. So, it will become plus cos 12x. Again 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. It is same as half of cos 4x plus cos 12x. Cos 4x plus cos 12x, which is same as. Now again use the identity. Cos a plus cos b. What is cos a plus cos b? 2 cos a plus b by 2. into cos a minus b by 2. 4x minus 12x by 2. So here 2 will get cancelled, which is same as 2 cos. 12 plus 4 means 16. 16 by 2 is 8x. Into cos 4 minus 12. It is minus 8x. So we'll get cos of minus 4x. But what we know about cos of minus theta? Cos of negative angle is? Cos of minus theta is? Cos theta. So we can write this as 2 cos 8x. Sorry, no 2 will get cancelled, isn't it? So no 2 is there. Cos 8x into cos 4x. So are you getting the required answer, children? Is it the answer? Is it the answer? Is it the required answer?
No.
No. When? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, one more period we have. Okay, what do you have to do? Try to do this by using the identity which one I gave now. Try to solve this using the identity. Using the identity.
Ma'am, the RHS should come like sin 4x and sin 8x.
Sin 8x. Now here we are getting in terms of cos, isn't it? Find it out. Check it. Okay. You can use the identity also. Okay. So next period we will be discussing this one. Before that, learn the formulas once again. Go through the formula. Okay, children. I end this session now. One more period we have. That time, this question we will be discussing. Find out. Try to solve this using this formula.